Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Before we get into it, I'd like to say a big massive thank you to each and every one of you who like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. It helps us to fight the algorithm and push the message of Help Heal Serve out to a broader audience. Also, in the comment section below this video, you will see my Patreon, where I offer a wide range of spiritual services, including one-on-one tutoring, etc, etc. Also, you can now become a channel member if you wish. In today's episode, we are going to be speaking about what is a psychic and what is a medium. They are two completely separate things. However, a lot of people think that they are one unit. So first of all, a psychic. Let's just tackle the topic of psychic. A psychic is a person who can perceive information that is hidden, unseen, or immaterial to the normal senses. This information may relate to past, present or future events. Psychics may use extrasensory perceptions or ESP, such as telepathy, clairvoyance or precognition to access this information. Some psychics may also use objects or articles belonging to another person to sense what is around them, called psychometry. Psychics are often associated with the paranormal and have a Greek origin meaning soul. Some psychics are born with the natural abilities to connect, whilst others have to cultivate their abilities. A psychic is going to use their humanistic abilities to gain and ascertain information in those moments. If you are getting a psychic reading, the psychic is going to interpret the auric field, and they are going to be able to gain and ascertain any information that they need about you. Fun fact, a good psychic can and will tell you what you have done for the entirety of your day. They can do that. They will just pick it straight from your auric field. They will also use their humanistic clair abilities, and what they can do is they can go in on themselves. They can use their intuition, their own guidance. The practice in which living beings can communicate with the spirit world. Practitioners are known as mediums or spirit mediums. There are different types of mediumships or even channeling. So a medium will use the same humanistic abilities, their clair abilities, as a psychic will. However, they will go looking in a completely different place. We go looking in the energy realm, the spirit world you may know it as, and we can get information from the spirit world to be able to bring forward evidence of your loved ones in spirit. So that there is a rundown of a psychic and of a medium. Again, they are worlds apart. Okay everyone, thank you for watching. If you did like this content, be sure to drop it a like. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, then I don't know why not. And until the next time, bye bye for now.